Hello everyone, this is Mitali here from Fabulous You, and this video will be on the party wear collections which I'm going to show. Booking number is 9711195266. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and also do follow my Facebook page. So I'll be starting off with the beautiful collections on the party wear. Parties aate rahegi, occasions aate rahenge, but dress should be always ready. Warna you end up buying just to wear it in an occasion. Okay, so आप हमेशा कोई भी चीज पसंद आए grab कर लीजिएगा. So today's price, everything will be flat 1550 free shipping. 1550 free shipping you can grab it for, and you will be also getting a surprise gift from my end. So let us start off with the beautiful collection. So here it's a very pretty, extremely soft party wear color, and this is in peacock green color. All the green blue combination is there, and this one the size which will fit 38, 40, 42. Extremely stretchable dress है and super comfortable, just for 1550 free shipping. सब party wear dresses दिखाऊंगी, and it is again I repeat 38, 40, 42 will be the size of this one, and इसका बहुत ही मतलब soft fabric का है, ठीक है, and you'll be getting lining also till bottom there is a lining, so it's so soft. 38, 40, 42 just for 1550 free shipping. So I've got one more piece in the same, okay, same mein rahega this piece, and this one the size which will fit 48, 50, 52. 48, 50, 52. Okay, you can go for this dress as well. 48, 50, 52 same hai, just for 1550 free shipping mein. Grab any piece which you want. So look at this beautiful dress. So this is of size 36, 38, 40. This is in metallic style, and इसका देखिए, ये देखिए ऐसे पूरा रहेगा, and fabric is very fine. ये कोई मतलब फील ही नहीं होगा कि आपने कुछ ऐसा ड्रेस डाला हुआ है. 36, 38, 40 में you can grab this dress for. Obviously birthday girl हो जिसको, they should get this type of dresses to look very different. Okay, बहुत ही सुंदर कलर है in purple. In purple में for 36, 38 and 40 just for 1550 free shipping. So you can take the screenshot on the same. So next, this one is in 44, 46, 48. Same pattern mein hai. It's in V-neck. 44, 46, 48. It's the same pattern in V-neck, and these fabrics are stretchable, completely stretchable, so not to worry. Okay, these fabrics are stretchable. 44, 46, 48 in V-neck. You can grab this for just for 1550 free shipping. So look at this. ये बहुत ही सुंदर सा कलर है. 36, 38, 40 में. It's a jumpsuit. It's a jumpsuit, and the back side you'll be getting this tie option, and the front पे ऐसा है, and it's very broad. Okay, broad भी है इसका pattern. 36, 38, 40 मैं पास से दिखा देती हूँ. So this will be having this golden studs, and ये local नहीं है, so this won't come out also, not to worry. Okay, ये बहुत ही सुंदर सा piece है. Maroon black with golden. Maroon black with golden में very pretty piece it is. In 1550 free shipping में you can grab it for. Price is lower. So I got few collections from the vendor in a good price. That is the reason I'm able to give you in the best price. Okay, 1550 free shipping में you can grab this for. So in same 36, 38, 40 में you are getting this in pastel pink, and this has got too many colors. ठीक है, जो ये डला हुआ है, it's in blue, it's in red, different colors में जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, in golden. So once you wear it, so there will be a lot of colors which are coming, and this is also 36, 38, 40 में जाएगा. It's a beautiful piece in pastel pink, light pink, and they will be getting this in this pattern. Okay, 1550 free shipping. So look at this. It's a very stunning piece, and this one the size which will fit 40, 42, 44. Okay, so the strap will be having this. Okay, ऐसे रहेगा, and this is in layers. बहुत ही सुंदर piece है. 40, 42, 44 में you can grab this piece for 1550 free shipping. All for flat 1550 free shipping you can grab it for. So this one is in 44, 46, 48. Please don't go by my look because it is extremely big for me. But this is a very pretty party wear jumpsuit. और आप देख ही सकते हैं जो शाइन आ रहा है, ठीक है. It's a beautiful piece, and ये भी आपका completely covered रहेंगे, bust area and all that. It's loose for me. That is the reason मैं थोड़ा अजीब सा दिख रही हूँ इस पे. ये शिफॉन में रहेगा with ऐसे studs. Very gorgeous piece. बहुत ही सुंदर piece है. Back side is like this. Front is like this, and ये आपका covered रहेंगे. And this one again 44, 46, 48 को जाएगा. It's extremely beautiful piece, and it's a jumpsuit, so मेरे ऊपर मत जाइए. The size so it is falling as an elastic also is very broad. Okay, so super comfortable. You can grab it for 1550 free shipping. अच्छा, मैं इसका जिप पूरा ऊपर करके दिखा देती हूँ. So it's completely till here. Okay, it's completely till here. It's a beautiful piece. Don't miss it, the plus size people. So look at this lovely pink color. Okay, it's a beautiful pink color, and ये वही dress है. One of the customer, she is a very old customer of mine. She loved it. She purchased it. She wore it, and she showed. She shared her pic also in. So I shared it in the Women's Day. Okay, she was so happy with the dress. So this is a different color again in a lovely pink color, and this is also in georgette with lining. सब ड्रेसेस में फुल्ली लाइनिंग है. एंड दिस वन द साइज विच विल फिट एज दिस इज कवर्ड. सो अंदर में आपका ऐसे स्लीवलेस ही रहेगा, एंड दीज आर ऑल स्ट्रेचेबल पीसेस. सो आपका जाएगा 42, 44, 46 ऐसे करके जाएगा. 42, 44, 46, 48 ऐसे करके जाएगा. ठीक है, दिस इज अ ब्यूटिफुल पीस. You can grab it for 1550 free shipping में. It's a lovely color. So this one is a jumpsuit. ये पहले भी मैंने दिखाया हुआ है, and whoever has not received this piece, ये लास्ट टाइम बहुत लोगों ने मांगा था, बट मेरे पास शायद एक ही पीस था. सो दिस वन इज इन कॉपर सिल्वर गोल्डन ब्लैक. ओके, कॉपर सिल्वर गोल्डन ब्लैक पे रहेगा. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल पीस. द साइज विच विल फिट 34, 36, 38, 40. waist will be stretchable. 34, 36, 38, 40. बैक साइड इज लाइक दिस. टिल ऊपर आपका ये रहेगा. ठीक है, 34, 36, 38, 40 जस्ट फॉर 1550 फ्री शिपिंग. और एक बात, ये सारे ना वेरी लॉन्ग पीसेस होते हैं, बिकॉज दीज आर मेड फॉर द फॉरेन क्लाइंट्स. सो ये सारे लॉन्ग होते हैं, तो मुझे हिल पहनने के बाद भी इट्स वेरी लॉन्ग. तो जिसको कटवाना है वो कटा सकते हैं. एटलीस्ट दीज आर नॉट शॉर्ट पीसेस. सो लुक एट दिस गॉर्जियस पीस. ये कम्प्लीटली पार्टी वेयर लॉन्ग ड्रेस है, एंड इस पर बेल्ट भी दिया हुआ है. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू यूज़ द बेल्ट यू कैन यूज़. अदरवाइज मुझे जो लगता है इसमें बेल्ट का ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. एंड दिस वन द साइज विच विल फिट is perfectly fitting my size. 34, 36, 38 can go. पूरा फॉलिंग पे रहेगा. एंड देखिए इस पे पूरा ऐसे काम किया हुआ है. ब्यूटीफुल पार्टी वेयर ड्रेस. 34, 36, 38 एंड अ लवली ए लाइन स्टाइल में रहेगा ये. ठीक है, ए लाइन स्टाइल में रहेगा. देखिए लुक एट दिस. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल ए लाइन स्टाइल ड्रेस जस्ट फॉर 1550 फ्री शिपिंग में. 1550 free shipping में you can grab this for. And these were the collections for today. I hope you like it. Please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and please do comment how you like my collections. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day and do keep shopping.